Our current process without the robots, we do it all by hand. I mean, we have our fixture and we tack by hand with a welder, and then we weld it out by hand, and that's our current process with no robots. The key factors for us really was we need to pump out parts, we need to meet quotas for weeks, and we just weren't able to meet those quotas doing it with just humans running the welders and making the parts, so this solves our problems. Having automation for this project will just skyrocket our production. We'll get so many more parts done, and you don't have to worry about somebody messing up a part or whatnot because the robot will be doing the same thing every time. Robots and automation will keep us competitive just because we'll be able to get jobs of larger quantities of hundreds of parts because we have the equipment to be able to do it now, and we're not slowed down by manpower anymore or whatnot. We'll make a lot more money using these because we're able to pump parts out that much faster and get them done quicker, so we're not spending 6 minutes on a part as if a human was welding it. We're spending 2 minutes on a part for somebody welding it, and at the end of the day, time's money on jobs like these. Definitely having automation will help with our quality because robots are so consistent, they're doing the same thing. There's no human error when you're using a robot, so the first part of the day will look just like the last part of the day.